Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. Hey, how's it going? It is sunny and 70 degrees here in Alabama. We're in Bankhead National Forest, which is land of 1,000 waterfalls, and we're having difficulty finding one of them. What was it called?
Kinlock.
Kinlock Falls, I think, is right down this embankment. We're going to try to slither, scale it, whatever you call it.
There's not really a trail.
Yeah.
It's just like downhill. And John found a rope tied around a tree.
There's a rope tied around a tree to help you get back up the hill. So
Austin's not going to do it.
Austin won't be attempting this one.
And it's only like, it's not very far away.
I can almost see it through the trees, so we'll just be a minute or two. So we'll see you down there. All right, here we go. Here's the rope I found to help. Helps having something to hang on to. I'm not going to go under. I can step over this obstacle. Yeah, magical. Looks magical. You go all the way down to there or cut through here. It's kind of a big step there. Let's go this way. I see the water.
Very wet.
Very damp right here. Yeah. Trying to find out which way. Over there. Where the steps are. Step looking things. There's another way over here. I think this looks more staircase-y. Couple of trees to hang on to. It's solid right there. Or not. Oh, that's bigger than I thought it was from the road. Smells like fresh water and sunshine. This one's a little off the beaten path. Nice. Six minutes to get to it. Not bad. Definitely some cool scenery. parked our Jeep again, and we're now in search of Parker Falls, which may or may not be down this road. We're going to go find out. It's a beautiful day for a walk, so either way, we're good. Enjoying that sunshine. Hold on. Wait. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. No bicycles, no horses. Hiking only. Yeah, we should invent something that shows you how far you walk. Oh, a pedometer. Or one of those fit thingies that tracks your every move and reports it to Google. Right, your phone does that. Beautiful day for a walk in the woods. Yeah, I saw some pictures from home with snow on the ground and little kids riding their sleds. According to Google Maps, we're walking the wrong way. There's another street through the woods that way. Parker Falls is that way. We're definitely not going to get there from here. So right now we're just taking a walk in the woods. Here's a sign. It doesn't say Parker Falls, but path number 201 goes in that direction. So we're going to take this for a little bit, see where it goes. One of the falls, Tammy read the description. It said it was a moderate hike requiring some light bushwhacking. And since I don't have my bushwhacker, we decided that was definitely not on the table for today. Bushwhacking. Yeah, hey, I could limbo under this one. This one's only up about. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them.
I'll record you limboing.
Yeah, this one's around about 6 feet, so.
Good job, buddy. You want to record me limboing?
You don't even have to. You can walk straight under it. That's not fair. What about you, Shorty? You could have just walked under it too, I think. He's looking a little bit lower down here. This is limbo. Oh, I have no way I'm getting under that. This one's only about 4 feet. I'm too old. No, wait, see if I can do it. There you go. There you go. No, cheating? What are you talking about? Wait. No. You turn sideways. Austin's gonna land up on his back. Oh, what?
Also, I bet you can do the next one.
Yeah. I can do the next one too. Just like that. Okay, Limbo. Whoa! The bill of your hat. We have turned around. It doesn't appear to be heading in the right direction, according to my internal compass, or actually looking at the sun. We need to head more west, and this trail turned to the north. So we're gonna head back to the car and then off to a picnic spot to grab something to eat. We remembered the cooler today. We remembered to put the food back in the cooler before we left, so it's looking good. So we'll see you at the picnic spot, I guess. We found a quiet spot by the Sipsey River. We're just gonna have our little picnic right here. We're gonna take a walk along the Sipsey River here. There's a trail by the river. So we're we're gonna go for the walk, see what we can see. There's some cool looking rock formations over here on this side. Can't zoom in when I'm in widescreen mode, no. Now I can zoom in, switch camera modes. I like widescreen though. It's a lot more scenery. And away we go. There's some more of those magnolia tree leaves, the giant leaves we saw the other day at the Natural Bridge area where we hiked. Yeah. In case you didn't hear that. Oh, here's some more picnic tables. Could have come down here a little ways, but we were nice and close to the water back there, so they're neat looking. This is cool looking. All the moss and the rocks. Let's add some more picnic tables. Ooh. Austin, you smell cookies?
Yeah.
You want to climb in there and see if you can find those Keebler elves?
Yeah.
Kind of like this side of the path where all the rocks are. There's a little fire pit down here by this picnic table. Grill. Yeah, Austin was going to stay behind at the picnic table, but he doesn't have a signal on his phone, so he's going to join us for a walk. Lots of people up in the hills. This is neat looking. Kind of like yesterday's walk. Little washout area. A little bit of a waterfall over here. A little one down there. A little over here. Yeah. Just for you. I like this. Looks really cool up there. The boulders and the moss. Over the wooden bridge. Yeah. Oh, there's a waterfall, Tammy.
There is a waterfall. I like the cascade right there.
Yeah.
Over the little rocks.
A little bit better shot of the waterfall. It's about 10 feet tall, 15 feet tall maybe.
Feels like we're in a tropical rainforest.
Yeah. Very cool. Walked over the creek and then there's that little waterfall there. Some big old rocks over here. In a limbo under this one, Austin? I think I'll just duck. That was tough enough. Whoa. Impressive rock formations here. You really gonna try to go under that? Yeah, take your hat. Last time the bill of your hat messed you up. Here he goes. Nope. Here he goes. Second attempt. He's gonna fall over. That's better. No falling. This is interesting. Yeah, something collapsed up here. This rock is Swiss cheesy. Maybe just up around here. Looks like a shelter. Okay, had a tree. Green tree up here. Big tree. Crashing down. Here's the other tree. Someone just told 2 trees fell on it. I see the second tree right here. It was a shelter house area. People used to come and party and shelter, fire, camp out, and whatever else. This trail looks like it goes up and around and around and on and on. We have no idea how far, so we're gonna call it at this point and head back to the RV probably. We had a nice little walk through the woods. We passed several people, quite a few people actually, half dozen we saw on the path walking. No one was wearing a mask. Everyone said hi. We stopped and talked with some people. It was nice seeing faces and smiles and talking. Down here in Alabama, they're very friendly.
Very friendly.
They ain't scared of no virus. Neither am I.